We're cooking tomorrow.
Welcome back to my channel, guys, and today we're making Ghana fufu. Yay! I'm going to take you back to my setup. This is where we're doing it. We're doing it at the back of the house, and we already have our cassava and plantain parboiled. So let's begin.
Let's start.
Okay. I put it now. Oh, it's hot, Papa. You didn't even bring spoon.
Which spoon? Use your hand. Put your hand in the water.
All right, so my hand in the water.
So we're going to begin with the plantain. You do it one item at a time. So plantain first
cheeky.
before cassava. So let's go.
Yeah. Mommy, I'm going to go.
Oh, don't forget, make sure your plantain and cassava are just freshly boiled and still really hot. It's very important.
Also, make sure the person pounding likes you, because Esther, please stop pounding. Remove the pain with your hands.
We'll see tomorrow morning, I guess.
Oh, this girl.
Hey!
You can see what I'm saying.
So we are done with the plantain. Next is cassava. You have to remove the plantain totally and then put the cassava and start the process all over again. And then after that, you join them together. But yeah, this is such an amazing process. I'm enjoying it so far and hope you guys are enjoying it too.
Now we've mixed the plantain and the cassava.
So we're making the fufu now. Wait. Just saw something. My fufu has to be perfect. This is mine. Let me see how big
No,
it is.
it's big. Okay, somebody. I'm going the pounding out here down. So nice and beautiful.
Looking palatable. Esther, wait till me roll everything. So, want to scratch my hand. Okay.
Well, let me just pack it.
I can do it. I'm done. In my bowl.
Let me teach you.
So we're done and we're just doing the last minute thing, which is to massage it and then serve it. It's such a lovely, beautiful meal, and you can serve it with light soup and goat meat. And it's not an everyday meal. It's something you do with your friends and family. It's a ceremonial kind of meal, and I really want you guys to try it. Let me know what you think, and if you loved the video, please like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.